What makes Elon Musk one of the most successful and bold entrepreneurs on the planet? He's built billion-dollar companies in industries most people thought were impossible to disrupt, from PayPal to SpaceX to Tesla. Today, we're diving into 9 powerful secrets Elon Musk uses to win in business and life. Stick around. Number 9 might completely change how you see your goals. Think from first principles, not by comparison. Musk says most people think by analogy. They copy what others are doing, but the real breakthroughs come when you think from first principles, breaking a problem down to its basic truths and reasoning up from there. Example, when building SpaceX, he didn't ask, how much do rockets cost? He asked, what are rockets made of? And how much do those materials cost? The answer, way less than buying one. That thinking saved millions. 2. Obsess over the product. Elon's golden rule. Make something so good, people tell their friends about it. He believes great marketing starts with a great product. Every Tesla, every SpaceX rocket, they're proof that quality is the best advertising. Quote, if you create a great product, people will buy it and tell their friends. 3. Take massive risks. In 2008, both Tesla and SpaceX were near bankruptcy. Elon invested his last $40 million to keep them alive. He said, I could either watch them die or put everything I had into saving them. He chose risk, and it paid off. Calculated risk separates dreamers from doers. 4. Learn faster than everyone else. Elon reads a lot. He learned rocket science from textbooks and engineers. He's proof that self-education isn't just possible, it's powerful. Quote, you can learn anything you want if you read enough books and ask enough questions. 5. Work like you're running out of time. Elon famously works 80 to 100 hours a week. His logic, if your competitor works 40 hours and you work 80, you'll achieve in 6 months what they do in a year. It's not about burnout. It's about intensity, focus, and momentum. 6. Have a mission bigger than money. Elon's companies aren't built just to make profit. They're built to change the world. Electric cars, space exploration, AI, they're all part of a larger purpose, pushing humanity forward. When your mission inspires others, success becomes a byproduct. 7. Embrace failure as feedback. Elon's rockets exploded. Tesla almost failed, but he calls failure a learning experience. He says, if things aren't failing, you're not innovating enough. Each failure brought him closer to success because he used it as data, not defeat. 8. Surround yourself with people smarter than you. Musk hires people not for their degrees, but for their ability to solve tough problems. He believes one great engineer equals 10 average ones. Build a team that challenges your thinking, not just agrees with you. 9. Never stop believing. At his lowest point, Elon was sleeping on friends' couches while building Tesla and SpaceX. Everyone said he'd fail, but he believed. Not in luck, but in possibility. He says, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. That's the mindset that builds empires. So there you have it, Elon Musk's 9 secrets to winning in business and in life. Which one inspired you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from the world's top entrepreneurs.